Hello, creative minds. Today, we will be drawing a scene of a friends enjoying playing blind man's buff. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step, and then proceed to the next step. Use a 4 or a 3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. This tutorial is meant to benefit your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, which was the favorite sport of the Mughal emperors, especially Akbar and Jahangir. It was a symbol of aristocratic culture and showcased the skills of horsemanship, a prized quality among the Mughals. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. So let's start with imaging a scene from your life where you are playing with your friends in the park after school. With that in mind, let's start. Now let us draw the first character, your friend, who is the blind man. Use basic shapes in the first stage of the drawing. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Now let us draw the second character who is trying to distract the blind man. Remember to keep the lines light so you can darken and add details later. Now one of your friend is making noises to confuse the blind man, who is our third character, with one hand near his mouth. Now let us draw the fourth character, which is you behind the blind man, teasing him. Now let's draw the details of our characters, like costume and expression. Proportion is a very important factor, so take your time and check with our sketch. Now let us draw in the background. We are in a park, so draw it accordingly. A quick composition tip. When you draw a grid over your sketch, notice that the subject often falls in one of the grid's quadrants rather than the center. This technique, known as the rule of thirds, creates a more balanced and visually appealing composition. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a scene of a joyful afternoon, you playing in the park enjoying blind man's bluff. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Polo, known as jogging in Persian, was a popular equestrian sport where players on horseback used long-handled mallets to hit a ball into the opposing team's goal. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.